Welcome to the Cleanster app. If you require cleaning for properties in different countries or cities, teams are a great way to organize your cleaners. Here's how you can create a team and invite members. Begin by selecting the Account tab. Navigate to the Teams option, where you'll see a list of your current teams. Click the plus icon to create a new team profile. Enter a title and a brief description. Then click Create a Team Profile to save. You'll be taken back to the Teams list, where you can select a team and click the plus icon to invite members. Enter the email address of your invitee. Then make a selection from the Roles and Permissions dropdown. Finally, click Invite. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit cleanster.com.